After heavy rain had drenched the region overnight, TVC with home advantage would kick off the 2025 Ngāti Porou East Coast Men's Club Rugby Final. It would only take a couple of minutes for TVC to get the first points on the board. A penalty to first five to Kahukio. After taking an 8-0 lead into the half-time break, TVC would then open the second half with a try to right winger Taufal Stewart, extending their lead to 13-0. Kiel would add another penalty, pushing the score to 16-0 before Waiapu finally found their way to the try line late in the second half with a try to right-wing replacement Tihei Ture. Another penalty to TVC would push their score to 19-5 before a couple of players from TVC would be sent to the bin late in the second half, giving Waiapu hopes of a late comeback. Waiapu fighting back with a try to replacement lock Gabe Tikani, but time was their enemy, with TVC hanging on to take the win and hoist the Rangiora Keelan Memorial Shield as 2025 Ngāti Porou East Coast Club Champions.
TVC!